The finals of the Computer Point Badminton tournament came to a halt at Lugogo indoors before players and fans engaged in clearing the water from the canvas. This left many questions as to whether the national facility will be ready for the coming international events, especially the Zone 5 volleyball tournament. Some volleyball players who doubled as badminton players are worried of losing the coming international event because of the rains that might halt their games. After drying up the canvas, the games went on with the Margaret Nankabira shocking Shamim Bangi with the 2 straight sets in the finals. Earlier, Brenda Awori won the under-19 singles after eliminating Brenda Mugabi by 2 straight sets.
Has been very successful, and as far as we are concerned, the level has been very, very high. We have got talents that are coming up. If you look at it, Tukire, Wilson, Suna Brian are having challenges from Bayo Herbert, Musia Kupu, which is very good for the game.
The men doubles, Daniel Mihigo and Davis Senono defeated Farouk Waya by 2 straight sets in rather a thrilling final. While in the veteran category, Jole Mohenda and Simon Mugabi scooped the mixed doubles title after defeating William Kabindi and Rita Namusi by 2-1. In the women's doubles, Brenda Woli and Brenda Mugabi paired to beat Sylvia Nalunga and Mabo Mukoye by 2 games to nothing. James Wanja, WSTV, Lugogo.